Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove green screen using VideoPad Editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have two videos added to project bin in VideoPad. One is the background and the other one is green screen video. I'm going to take this background video and drag and drop it to video track 1 like this. And now this green screen video, drag and drop to video track 2 right above video 1. So placing this green screen video right above this background video. Now, if we want to remove this green screen so that we could see the background video, we have to open video effects. And in the search box, type in green and find green screen effect. So open this effect. And as you can see, these are the settings for green screen. And the green screen has been removed automatically. And if it's not the case for you, under the effects, find this replace section, select the color picker and click on the green color. Let's say this is your case, you have the green screen on. So once you select the color picker, click here on the green area and the green color has been removed. Now, if you're still left with a bit of an outline around the object, like here, you can see a little outline around the clock. You just have to navigate here and adjust threshold, fading and smoothing sliders. So I'm going to go ahead and increase this threshold. Just make sure you don't overdo it because as you can see, the clock has gone completely. So I'm just going to increase it just so that the clock stays on, but the green is removed as much as possible. And maybe increase the smoothing around the edges just a little, like this. All right, I'm going to close the effects here. Now take the playhead to the start, play the clips. And that's our background video and the green screen video. Okay, now if you want to rescale this video, make it smaller or bigger, you can open the effects again. Click here on the plus sign. In the search box, type in scale. Find this scale effect. Open it. And now in the scale settings, you can use these sliders to make adjustments to your green screen video here. Or on the screen, you can just click here on the corner, for example, left click and drag it. Let's say I'm dragging it up to make it smaller, or I can drag it down to increase the size like this. So let's say I want to make it just a bit smaller. Now I'm going to click here in the middle of the screen and just drag this video to this corner like this. Okay, I'm going to close the settings. Take the playhead, move it to the start, replay. And now we have a small clock here and the background video here. And that's all, guys. I hope this tutorial was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.